Hey, this is Sandra with Two-Way Direct. Today I have the Motorola Curve radio. This is a Wi-Fi Enhanced business two-way radio. This is everything that comes with in the box. It comes with the radio, the belt clip, the battery, the charger, and the power cord. So let's build this together. So first with the radio, this comes with a fixed antenna, so there's no need to worry about that. If you flip it over to the back, you'll see a latch here, and this is where the battery goes. So we'll want to switch this latch to the unlock position and take off the battery door. Then we could take the battery and line up the pins and push down at the bottom until it clicks. You'll want to leave this tab out so it's easy to remove the battery at a later time. Then you want to insert the battery door from the bottom to the top and switch the latch back to the lock position. To use the belt clip, simply slide the radio towards the bottom and push up at the top and you'll hear a click. The belt clip on this will swivel, so it's very easy to use on a day-to-day basis. To charge the radio, first plug in the power cord to the charging unit. You can find the adapter on the back. Then line up the pins on the radio on the charging unit, and you're good to go. To get more information on this radio, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys! Don't forget to like and subscribe.